We get money. Are you happy? No answer. If I say happy, I will say something. Silence. From money we try to get. No, see, we get the house, okay? We build a house for what? To be happy, na? And Amma says, a big building, big. Mother. Father brings some loan. They are giving loan just to get the loan, that's all. 2 children. Only 5, 6 years, only all 4 people. When they grow, they are not staying there, they fly. One person went to France, other person Germany, somewhere. 2 people. Big bungalow. Father is first floor somewhere. Mother is in the kitchen. Father had doubt whether she is there or not. Mother also same doubt. Slowly she walks, come there. Open the door. He is doing something there. I said, you can talk something. It's very frightening, in this house. You can talk something. And during this kind of, what do you call it, snow time, or winter time, ayyo, big house. So mother says then, no, I think this house we have to sell and we have to get small house. The father says, you only told to build. I only told, now I am telling you. At that time, this gave me sukham. Now, small house only gives sukham. Take it. When you buy, to get sukham. When you sell, again sukham only. The car also, when you buy a car, to get sukham. When you sell the car, why to sukham? The same way marriage also. I am not telling more than that. That's all you understood what is there. And we pray the Lord, oh Lord, give me very nice child. Looking very nice boy. Nothing is there. Wherever he goes, he brings only what is that, 0. That's all. Thank you very much, Lord. Thank you. One more? No, thank you. We try to get sukham out of this, to deliver the sukham, but we are not able to get it. Everywhere. You get car and children also. Yeah. We expect that for children only, all pancha prana for you only. Why he studied Tattva, that's why. Oh child, if you don't study Tattva, my life is for you. Like an ordinary person. Suppose you study Vedanta, my pancha prana is for you. You have to talk technically. I give my whole life to you, but you are not showing what that love. What is this? Disappointing or not? You give completely, father gives completely, mother gives a whole life they dedicated. But these people, they are not listening to the father. Is this dukkam or sukham, you tell me? Whatever we do in our life, everything we do to get sukham only. So instead of sukham, we get dukkam only. The very surprise thing, we are not sitting and analyzing that. Even though we get dukkam, again we will do the same dukkam. You sit sometime, take some time and analyze. I know about my children. One day they will come back. How many years? 40 years you are waiting, sir. They will not come back. And again, see the thoughts, how they are bringing it. Yatahi, this is very nice sloka from same bhag. Yatahi purusho bharam shirasa guru mudvahanne tam skandena sa adatte tata sarva pratikriya. We try to get happiness, to do all those things. It's a very nice sloka. You see this. All attempts to get to our sufferings are like a man carrying a load on his head and shifting it onto his shoulder for relief. Very nice, na? We carry load here, okay? We take this load after some time because it's that paining. They take and keep it on the head. If you appada, what appada? Only here it goes, but it comes here now. Getting it? Then after some time, if you take this and keep it, sir, you are not relieved, you shifted the place. Getting it or not? And this is what happening now. This is our lifestyle. See the scriptures, how they are presenting this, what that fact of life. Whatever we are doing, we are not getting what the real joy. That is the point. You understood.